Today we're opening the front door to something truly special. A farmhouse entryway tour that blends rustic charm with timeless warmth. But this isn't just about pretty decor. We're diving into meaningful styling ideas that make your entryway functional, welcoming, and full of character. Whether you're coming home from a long day or greeting friends for the first time, your entryway sets the emotional tone. And in a farmhouse-style home, that means wood textures, practical storage, vintage touches, and a whole lot of heart. I'll walk you through creative segments designed to inspire. From cozy benches and rustic hooks to seasonal touches and clever storage. Curious how a simple entryway can set the entire mood of a rustic farmhouse-style home? Keep watching to see the transformation. Segment 1, the foundation, flooring, walls, and layout basics. Before decorating, we need to talk about the bones of a farmhouse entryway. The foundation sets the tone, quite literally. Start with flooring. Wide plank wood floors in oak, pine, or reclaimed barn wood are ideal. If you're on a budget, luxury vinyl planks or laminate in a distressed wood finish can mimic the look beautifully. For walls, shiplap is a timeless choice that brings texture and warmth. You can paint it a soft white, creamy beige, or even sage green for a cozy countryside look. Layout-wise, think of how traffic flows. Farmhouse entryways work best when uncluttered. Use a runner rug to guide movement, and keep visual weight balanced on each side. Segment 2. Signature statement. The perfect rustic console or bench. If your entryway is wide enough, a solid wood console table in distressed oak or weathered gray is ideal. Look for one with drawers or open shelving for baskets. Style the top with vintage lamps, a small tray for keys, and a mix of framed family photos and greenery. If space is tighter, go for a bench instead. Think raw wood, antique spindle legs, or even an upholstered farmhouse bench with storage underneath. Top it with textured throw pillows, a folded knit blanket, or a wicker basket of slippers to give that your home now feeling. These pieces invite pause. A bench says, take your shoes off and stay a while a console welcomes guests with gentle order and charm. Segment 3. Storage with soul. Baskets, hooks, and hidden helpers. One of the reasons farmhouse style feels so calming is because it's rooted in function. In the entryway, storage is essential, but that doesn't mean it can't be beautiful. Install a row of black iron or brass hooks along a wood board for coats, hats, or bags. Hang a woven market tote, a straw hat, or a linen scarf to instantly add texture. Beneath the hooks, use natural woven baskets or vintage crates to catch shoes, umbrellas, and seasonal extras. Consider repurposing an old mail cubby or spice rack for organizing keys, dog leashes, and even sunglasses. It's these small touches that combine utility and character. Segment 4. Seasonal and sentimental styling. In fall, style your console with a bowl of pine cones, amber glass, or dried eucalyptus. In winter, add lanterns, mini evergreens, and cozy textures like flannel or wool. Spring invites fresh tulips in a pitcher vase, while summer calls for woven baskets and cotton blooms. But more importantly, don't forget sentiment. Hang a family photo wall, a framed handwritten recipe, or a welcome sign made from reclaimed wood. These add heart to your home's first impression. It's not about perfection. It's about stories, and your entryway is the place where those stories begin. Segment 5. Lighting and Atmosphere. Let's talk lighting because ambience is key. If you're lucky enough to have natural light in your entryway, embrace it. Use light linen curtains or leave windows bare for a sun-kissed, breezy look. For artificial light, opt for a vintage-inspired sconce, a metal and glass pendant, or a small table lamp with a linen shade. Edison bulbs give that old-world charm, and dimmers can help you adjust the mood throughout the day. You can also bring light through mirrors. A distressed wood-framed mirror not only expands the space, but reflects warmth and makes your home feel instantly more open. Add a candle or essential oil diffuser with a calming scent, like lavender or cedarwood, and your entryway won't just look inviting, it'll feel like home. Segment 6, Nature's Welcome. Greenery, florals, and outdoor connection. The final segment celebrates what farmhouse style is all about: nature. Even if you live in the middle of a city, bringing the outdoors in helps root your home in tranquility. Place a tall indoor plant like a fiddle leaf fig or olive tree in a woven basket near the door. Or style your console with a vintage jar of wildflowers, a bundle of dried lavender, or even a mini herb garden. If your front door opens to a porch or garden, carry the style outward. Use vintage planters, rustic lanterns, and a welcome mat in jute or coir. These details connect your indoor and outdoor spaces, making the entryway a true transition zone between the world and the peace of home. And there you have it, a full tour of how to turn your entryway into a rustic haven of calm, character, and charm. I hope these ideas not only inspire your next makeover, but help you see your home's entrance as more than just a pass-through. It's where your day begins and where your peace returns. From baskets to benches, shiplap to seasonal touches, every detail plays a role in saying, "Welcome home." If you enjoyed this farmhouse entry tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more cozy inspiration here on Liviero Studio. Share your own entryway ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear how you welcome people into your home. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay grounded, stay cozy,